Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show this video how to fix driver power state failure blue screen error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to fix driver power state failure blue screen error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you simple method how to do this. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just open the registry editor, type regedit, click on this registry editor. You have to not do any changes in this. Just what you have to do, you have to just take the backup of this registry file, click on this file, then click on export. Select the location where you want to save this, name the file, then click on save. After what you will do changes, if there is any something problem occurs after doing these changes, then you can roll back your registry files or settings from here. Just click on this file, then click on import and select the file which you have saved and just import it. Now what you have to do, you have to just open CMD, right click on this and click on run as administrator. Here you need to copy paste this both command one by one. I will provide these commands in my video description link. You can just copy paste from there. Right click, copy and come to this CMD, then press Ctrl V to paste, then hit enter and copy the second command, then paste it by pressing Ctrl V, then hit enter. After completion of this, just restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix driver power state failure blue screen error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.